people stay as safe as they can and save lives.
Currently in our area, 44 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, skies clearing overnight. Low, 33. Winds north-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Wednesday, intervals of cloud. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy, low 35. Winds northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook. Doorway goes through that.